Meaning of heli-skiing.
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 Heli-skiing. Heli-skiing refers to a type of downhill skiing that involves being transported to the top of mountains by helicopter, rather than using ski lifts or other traditional means of access. Once at the summit, skiers can then enjoy untouched, fresh powder snow and exhilarating descents down the mountainside. This extreme sport represents the ultimate thrill for experienced skiers, offering unparalleled adventure and excitement. Heli-skiing is typically conducted in remote, mountainous regions and requires skilled guides to ensure safety and proper execution. Overall, heli-skiing is an adrenaline-fueled activity that offers a unique and unforgettable skiing experience.